Hey guys, thank you for watching this video brought to you by AnthonyMarchese.us. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a simple CSS navigation menu with a rollover effect. So let's get started. On the left-hand side, we have our HTML5 document, and inside our head tag, we have our style tag. And inside our style tag, we have rules. We have 3, 4, 2, we have a total of 9 rules, not many, and it's in our document that we're working on, which is fine for this tutorial. If you were making a lot of web pages, you wouldn't want to do this. You'd want to have an external CSS style sheet, or several, depending on how big your site is. So we go down to the body tag and we open it up and we put a top margin, all one word as you can see, equals 60. Which is 60 pixels. And this is what we get. Okay? If you take that out, make it 0, that's what happens. Let's put 6 back in there. Then we go into the nav tag, which is an HTML5 tag. And inside our nav tag, we have a div with ID of navigation. It's wrapped around our unordered list and our list items. Inside our list items, we have an anchor tag. And inside that anchor tag, we have a hyperreference. Okay, this is where your links go between these quotes. And then you have your text for your links. What we're going to do now is we're going to delete all this stuff, all this code, and there's nothing there now. See, when I click on the other side, it's gone. So let's get out of live view, start typing up. Let's go home. Okay, now click on the left side, and it put everything exactly where it was supposed to inside the nav tag. And now let's go ahead over on the design view and let's highlight those 4 words. And we'll go down to Properties Inspector, click HTML, where it says link. Go ahead and go Shift 3, and you'll see it just gave every single one of those that we had highlighted a link. The anchor tag. It placed the entire tag in there and it wrapped it around our text. So now we need to put a div in here inside the nav tag. So we have to wrap our list items, which aren't list items yet, with a div tag. What we're going to do is first we're going to click and drag over all of our newly created links. I'm going to go to Properties Inspector HTML and click on Unordered List. Okay. Now all those P tags, those paragraph tags, were removed and replaced with our list item tags. This is how navigation works. You have to have them inside list items, which are inside unordered lists or ordered lists. Either one, but that's what you have to do. Next, let's go and wrap our unordered list with a div. So you can do it this way, or you can do it this way. I'm going to do it this way. I like to work in code view. So my unordered list is wrapped, and I'm going to go ahead and select Insert Div Tag from the common menu up top. And we're going to give it an ID of navigation. And I'm going to go OK. Now we have a div with an ID of navigation. Now we'll go up to our style tag, and we're going to place some styles inside our style tag. First thing we're going to do is pound navigation, and we're going to target the list item. And we hit space, shift, curly brackets, 2 of them. Hit the left arrow key and drop it down twice by hitting enter. And let's go ahead and add some rules to this. Font, I'm going to give it 34 pixels, and space, and the font type is going to be Arial. I'm going to close that with a semicolon, hit enter again, And the display type is what we have to change, because we have to make it by default, it's a block. Now we have to make it inline to make it go across, horizontal. And then we're going to create a list style. And that's going to be a list style type. That's it right there. And we're going to say none. Let's see what happens. All right. We got some big fonts. We got 34 pixel fonts with Arial. It's inline. It's going across. List style type is none. List style type is none, meaning there's no bullets. Okay. Some browsers actually, they don't put the bullets in by default, so you don't have to do none. But I do it just to be safe. Let's go ahead and create another set of rules. I'm just going to copy this, put it here. I'm going to change that to A, the anchor tag. I'm going to add a curly bracket, curly bracket. Get back in there, hit enter twice. And we're going to give our links some padding. Whoops. I got to change the batteries in this keyboard. Colon, let's go 25 pixels, space 35 pixels. Close it out. Background color. And I'm going to do #09F. Close it. And we're going to change the color of the text to color. And we'll make that white. And we're going to give it a text decoration of none. You can use your arrow keys to scroll down to none, or you can just type it and just hit the semicolon. Let's see what we got so far. Let's go to live. Ah, nice. So we got the basic layout of our navigation menu. Now, let's go and create some more rules that will give us some effects, which is the hover, and another curly bracket, hit backspace, enter twice. Now let's change the background color when it rolls over. Let's make that #F90, orange as you just saw. And we're going to add a color to the text when our cursor hovers over it. I'm just going to do #666. Let's click here, and we got our finished product. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. So if you have any questions, please post them in the comments, and thank you for watching this video. Take care.